Well, Senator, the period under investigation in the ICC is from November 1, 2011 to March 16, 2019. And right smack in the middle of that is the mayoralty of Vice President Sara Duterte. And actually, put to light now is her use of intelligence funds back in 2022. Pati yung 2010 to 2013, very, very curious to know, I mean, is her name being brought up in all of this?
Yes, she was already mentioned by Arturo Las Cañas. When they, well, remember, these are the original Davao Death Squad. They started back in 1988. They started killing people. Then, nung nagpalit si Duterte, the father, and si Sara, noong 2010, humingi sila ng, sabi ni Digong, magpaalam kayo kay Sara kung pwede pa ituloy. So nagpaalam sila kay Sara kung pwede pa ituloy yung EJ case or salvaging nung panahon na, ang term. Sinabi niya, sige, gawin nyo, pero wag nyo patayin dun sa mga kalye, dukutin nyo, patayin nyo dun sa salvage area.
To be clear, who is niya? Sinabi ni na po.
Sinabi ni Sara Duterte. So nagpaalam sila. So that's on the affidavit of Las Cañas. Nung nag-testify si Las Cañas sa ICC, sinabi niya yon. Kaya it's on the record. Ngayon, well, I'd be honest, in the sense na, we still need corroborative evidence for that. Kaya I'm quite pessimistic na mahahabol si Sara Duterte sa ICC role. But in light of the testimony of Rina Garma, I'm quite confident baka pati si Bongo and Bato masasama.
Ano yung sense ninyo dun sa, ngayon kasi yung topic is, nagamit ba itong mga confidential or intelligence funds, pang-fund ng mga rewards sa drug war? Ano yung sense nyo doon? Mapoprove ba yun? Kasi nga, by their very nature, hindi sila masyadong ino-audit. All they can say is, nagastos ng ganitong ilang araw, di ba?
Okay. Doon sa na-investigate namin, when they were in Davao, nagamit yon. Kasi si Matobato, meron siyang actual na mga payslip na doon kinukuha sa confidential funds yung allowance niya. And ang role niya is to kill people. Ganon din si Las Cañas, they get extra allowances through the confidential funds ng Davao City Mayor. And yung kay Sara, itong last 3 years niya, 2.7 billion yun ang total. Then, before that, yung kay Duterte, the father, 700 million a year yun. So, they've been using that as part nung reward system na ginagawa.
Very curious about the personality of Mary Ann Maslog, yung isang resource person na ikinagalit ni Senator Bato de la Rosa na sinasabi niya ipinadala daw ng administrasyon to get Alice Go to pin Senator Bato, Senator Bongo, and former President with the Pogos implicating them. I mean, what would you have to say to that? Kasi para sa akin siya yung medyo nagsistick out from all the other resource persons. She has a different
Have you heard of her before?
Yeah.
I mean, may kaso na kasi siya before and she also has 2 identities.
Ganito, yung sinasabi ni Bato na si Maslog will implicate them, sa kanya lang nanggaling yon. And I think that's a misdirection. But I also agree, itong highly suspicious din yung role ni Maslog in all of these things. I believe nagkaroon lang ito ng access sa whereabouts ni Alice Guo and she decided to sell that information.